Right now, somewhere on a pitch, a court, or a track, an AI just watched an athlete's every move. And it already knows what the coach hasn't said yet. Sports coaches are the architects of human performance. They read body language, inspire resilience, devise match-winning tactics, and build the mental toughness that separates champions from the rest. But artificial intelligence is now entering the arena. Platforms like Catapult, Hudl, and IBM's AI coaching tools are already analyzing movement data, predicting injuries, and optimizing training loads in real time. The question is no longer whether AI belongs in sport. It's whether the coach does. So what parts of a sports coach's role can AI take over? First, performance analytics. AI systems can process thousands of data points per second, tracking speed, heart rate, biomechanics, and fatigue levels far beyond human capacity. Second, video analysis and tactical breakdown. Tools like Hudl and Whiscout automatically tag events, identify patterns, and generate opponent reports in minutes. Third, injury prediction and load management. AI models from companies like Kitman Labs can forecast injury risk with remarkable accuracy using wearable data. Fourth, personalized training plans. Adaptive AI platforms adjust workouts in real time based on athlete response, recovery, and performance trends. And fifth, referee and rules analysis. AI can review footage, flag infractions, and even suggest in-game strategy adjustments faster than any human analyst. So how can sports coaches stay ahead? Strategy 1. Become an AI interpreter. The data means nothing without human context. Coaches who can translate AI insights into motivation, culture, and in-game decisions will be indispensable. Strategy 2. Master the psychological edge. AI cannot replicate the ability to read a dressing room, manage egos, inspire a team at halftime, or guide an athlete through mental health challenges. That is irreplaceable human intelligence. Strategy 3. Specialize in high-performance leadership. Elite coaches who combine emotional intelligence with tactical expertise and AI literacy will command even greater authority. And Strategy 4. Advocate for athlete welfare. As AI optimizes for performance metrics, human coaches must champion the whole athlete rest, well-being, and long-term development over short-term data wins. So will sports coaching be obsolete by 2030? Absolutely not, but it will be unrecognizable. AI will handle the data, the video, the load management, and the tactical modeling. But the fire in the eyes of an athlete who believes in their coach. The team that runs through walls because someone believed in them first. No algorithm produces that. By 2030, the best coaches won't be the ones who resist AI. They'll be the ones who use it to do what only humans can: lead.